for folks who just came in, I was asking, especially people who were the narrators or the interviewees, what it was like to be invited to share your story in this way. Anybody find
I
it
can
like
jump in to share.
oh yeah, go ahead, Jewel.
I was going to say that Lawrence and I were laughing that we didn't really follow the prompt. It was definitely more of a conversation between us than an oral history interview. It was definitely hard to not insert our own opinion or, oh, that reminds me of such and such. But it was still a really insightful conversation and learning a lot about each other's ancestral history and lineage in that way. So, yeah, very good conversation, though it wasn't truly an oral history interview. But in that sense, I think the conversational vibe of it allowed us to share a lot so comfortably with each other. So.
Yeah, I think there's an interesting distinction between like a conversation and a conversational vibe, you know? And oftentimes oral histories have a conversational vibe, but they're more unbalanced than a typical conversation. And sometimes that can be a tricky thing to navigate in every, I want to make it clear that an oral history doesn't have to be an oral history interview, right? Like an interview is one genre, it's one special structure, we can think of it as one ritual of how to make space for an oral history. But a conversation is another way to do it too.